Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X30 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here in this device. So let me try to tap on this now to see how it works with the cooperation with the camera now. And as you can see, now by using these buttons I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to more advanced options. So let me tap on this button here, the second from the left. Here we have access to more buttons, and now let's focus on these settings here. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings. And here we have the volume key functions option, so when we pick this, we can change it. We can pick from volume, shoot, which is now, or zoom. For now let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera and let me try to tap on these buttons once again now. As you can see now, by using this I can get closer to my subject, so I can use zoom and also I can go back. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.